Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewofsoftware.com. Welcome to the Halloween methods review. And as you can see right now, I'm inside a member series of the Halloween methods. I will give you a full demo exactly what you're getting inside of this training course. If you know the Halloween method, but you're not sure what he teaching you inside here, in this video here, I will cover everything you need to know. And I also prepare a lot of custom bonus that I would like to get for you. So what you need to do now, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page, which look like this. Then you click to any orange button here, you go to the sales page of the Halloween method right here. It look like this, right? So before we go to the folder about the training course and about the my bonus, if your first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. Right? So right now, let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, what is the Halloween method, right? So this is, in a nutshell, this is a training course, okay? This is a training course that he would teach you how to make $100 every day. $100 every day by using the Halloween method. So this product created by Dagwar Iceland. Dagwar Iceland, he is one of the top vendor affiliate market on the WordPress. So this guy launched the product multiple times now. So he has a lot of experience in affiliate marketing, and right now he created this training course, and he wanna help more people to make more money online. Okay, so here you can see. If you don't see this page, you click to the first link in the description of this video, then we'll take to my bonus page right here, and click to any orange button here. You go to the sales page, look like this, okay? So here is learn how we make $100 every day using this method. Okay, so this video right here. So the price for today is only $17, okay? Only $17, and they have 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can ask for the refund and you keep my bonus. So I will show you my bonus to you just a little bit later. So right now, let's see here. This is the result. This is the result he got every single month, okay? Every single month. You see here, this is the real result he got every single month. You see here, it's pretty new. Only here, you see, this is 2020, and in the 13 September 2020, this is real result. This is real result. So this by right now, I made this video in the 22nd of October. So this result really new. So that means this is the real method that he used. So he wanna share with you guys. Okay. So alright, so this is the sale page. You feel free to come here and checking out the sale page right here. So here is what you get, the Halloween method, right? So easy to follow over shoulder video training. Set everything up in the 10 minutes per day. No technical skill need, no list need. This method build you once. Work for stone cold newbie or ascend experienced marketer. Rinses repeat for daily profit on demand. 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so this is everything you will get inside of the Halloween method, which I will show you just a little bit later. Okay, so again, this is the method that he used. He had got a lot of success, and this is the real result. and the price for this training only $17. So I think that's really good. You can see $17 invest, then you can copy the secret of him doing right here. This is the real result. This is very new. Okay, so alright, so this is everything you got here. Feel free to jump ahead to here and see that in yourself. But right now, let's go to my bonus page right here. If you still not click to the first link, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page here. Make sure you know this product gonna be launched today. Today in 22nd October, so gonna be launched today. If by right now you're watching this video right now, it's good time to purchase the product. And make sure you know that my bonus will expire in the 8 days. If you go here and you see my countdown to hit 0, my bonus will not available for you. So make sure you purchase the product before my bonus hit 0. Okay, so right now let's see what bonus I would like to offer to you, right? So I have prepared for you my 14 high quality bonus that I would like to give you. So let's see, the first bonus I give for you today is SEO keyword mastery. Right now, every business need SEO, every affiliate marketing need SEO. So that's why I have included for you here. I will show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword, and you can rank the keyword in #1 on Google. I will have another bonus to show you just a little bit later to you as well. And the number 2 bonus here, I will show you how to do Google Ads and retargeting. Okay, AdWords retargeting is really important. If you are new to business, this is you're gonna need, because here I will show you how to do Google Ads and retargeting. Okay, so bonus number 2, I will show you how to do Bing Ads. Look, a lot of people do Google Ads and Facebook Ads, but not a lot of people do Bing Ads. And the good thing about it, the Bing Ads, the price you do is very cheap. The price for that is really cheap. And also good thing about it, the old people searching on Bing Ads, and the old people, they have more money. So if you are your business, if you have the business or your affiliate, you target on the Bing Ads, so that's you will have more sales. Okay, so bonus number 4 here, I will show you do video marketing. Video marketing, and now is really important. Video marketing is the king of marketing. You see right now every sale page they have video. That means video marketing is really important. So I have included for you, I will show you step by step how to do video marketing app. Wow, and I have a lot of bonus right here. Feel free to jump ahead to here. I have included for you my 14 high quality bonus. Okay, so right now let's jump ahead and see my bonus right here. So you need to post the product before my countdown time right here. If my countdown time, my bonus will expire and my bonus will not available for you. Okay, so right now you see this video is a good time to jump ahead to the product. And when you after you post the product, you go to the WordPress, you go to your history product you already purchased. Then you go down here, there are little orange button here called asset affiliate bonus. Then you asset hold my 14 high quality bonus I offer to you right here, right? So guys, this is everything about my bonus mode. I spent a lot of time put my bonus everything together, so I know my bonus will help you grow your business faster. So if you put the product and include my bonus, that will help you go faster. Okay, so alright guys, that's everything about my bonus. So right now let's go ahead to the training course. Okay, so this is the Halloween method. This is inside the training course. Okay, so here when you first right here, you will see the video welcome video welcome. Then they have introduce for you, they have overview, they have introduce. This is the main training, okay? This is the main training. The God's introduce, that is something powerful, right? And this is learn the trick and select your trait and repeat line and zombie. And black hat and not black hat method. Be with the squeezer and a lot more right here. And monster resort here you can see he show you everything that he already learned the past, and the result is he already show you right here. So here he share for you exactly right there. Okay, so this is everything you gonna get, okay? Animal Kingdom, Anarchai, free squid page, the Halloween method squid page, and they have bonus right here, 0 to 100 in 24 hours, $10 a day using free Facebook traffic. You also have include the bonus that $100 a day in the day using the free traffic. And 8 top high ticket program, CPA income crusher, and easy person pay days. There are a lot of things going on here. There are a lot of value he give for you here. That's exactly he got the result. Okay, so this is everything he explained here. So and they have few upgrade, they have few upsell, which I show you just a little bit later. Right, so that's everything you're gonna get inside the training course here. So here explain everything how to get result like pro. Okay, so right now let's see what is the price, right? What is the price? That's really important. So all right, I'm sorry, this is, they have 2 versions. This is the pro version, okay? This is the pro version. The pro version here, you get pro member benefit bonus code, free internet marketing result, and security bar generator, and countdown generator, SC pop-up generator. This is the pro version. If you upgrade, you have this asset to pro version, right? So right now let's talk about the price. What is the price, right? So by this sale pay preview right here, they sell only $17. But right here, when you watch this video right now, the price only $14.97 from the end. If you put the product right now, the price only just let's say $15, only $15, and the down sale is $12. The down sale $12, right? So $14 for everything you get right here, everything you get, which I show you right here, right? That's really cheap, and then you got result. This is the result he gonna teach you. Okay, this is the result only teach you here. You see last 7 day and $15,000. You see, this is really very massive. Okay, and this is the price for the training, only $14. That's really cheap. And I really love the training because I already joined there, and he teach everything is very easy to follow. It's very easy to follow. And you see only $14 you upsell to everything, which I just showed you over there. And they have a few upsell. They have 5 upsell. Okay, the upsell number 1 is join the Halloween method pro version. Pro version, this is right here. I already show you right here. This is the pro version. Right, so upsell number 2, weekly done for you campaign. Okay, that's $197, and the downsell $97. And upsell number 3, Halloween method resale rights. Upsell number 4 is learn the hide secret of product launching. Right, this is upsell number 4, and upsell number 5 is VIP package. VIP package. This is good, right? This is the last upsell. So what I recommend, right? So I think every time when you just first start, you can just try the first one first. I will recommend you go to the first price right here and see how it is, right? See how it is. If you got result and you want to learn more, then you can upsell to. I will recommend to upsell member 2 here, because here that he has weekly done for you campaign, right? Done for you everything. So what you do, you just copy and to your to you. So I think the option number 2 is good to go. Okay, this is good to go. So alright guys, that's it. Everything you will get asset in the Halloween methods. Okay, in the Halloween method, you get everything right here. You can see more about the describe of the upsell right here. Okay. Alright, so make sure you know that I have included my 14 high quality bonus that I don't want you miss, because here the bonus here I spent a lot of time put everything together, and I know this bonus gonna be help you go faster. If you purchase the product with my my bonus, you will go faster, guys. So you need to come to here and purchase the product. Click to any orange button here and purchase the product before my countdown time here. If my countdown time hit 0, my bonus over expire, and I'm very sorry that. So you need to click to the first link in the description of this video and go to my bonus page and click to any orange button here. You go to the sale page right here and you can click to any orange button here. Then you can purchase the product. Good to go. Okay. So alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I know so this video I hope that I was introduced everything you need to know, and now you purchase the product, you will know how to make your way to $100 every day. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So thank you so much, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.